Hi viewers, welcome back to Daddy Fever. 3 super high protein breakfast snacks for faster muscle gain. So, here are 3 protein-packed breakfast snacks that are ideal for muscle gain. Number 1. Greek yogurt parfait with berries and nuts. Ingredients: 1 cup Greek yogurt, half a cup mixed berries, 1 to 2 tablespoons almonds or walnuts, and 1 tablespoon chia seeds. Protein: around 20-25 g of protein per serving. Why it works: Greek yogurt is rich in casein, a slow-digesting protein that helps with sustained muscle recovery. Adding nuts and chia seeds increases the protein and provides healthy fats. Number 2. Egg white and spinach wrap. Ingredients: 4 to 5 egg whites, handful of spinach, 1 whole grain wrap, and optional shredded cheese or avocado for flavor. Protein: around 20-25 g of protein per wrap. Why it works: egg whites are a low-fat, pure source of protein, perfect for lean muscle growth. Spinach adds nutrients without extra calories, and the wrap makes it portable and easy to eat on the go. Number 3. Cottage cheese and almond butter toast. Ingredients: 1 slice whole grain toast, half a cup cottage cheese, and 1 tablespoon almond butter. Protein: around 15-20 g of protein per serving. Why it works: cottage cheese is rich in casein protein, ideal for muscle repair, and almond butter provides healthy fats and a touch of extra protein. These quick breakfasts will give you a great start to your day and support muscle growth with ample protein. Plus, they're easy to make, so you can prep them in minutes even on busy mornings.